Hello guys and welcome here. In today's video we are going to talk about the ASINH function inside of Microsoft Excel. So what exactly does this function do? So this function will return the inverse hyperbolic sin of a number. So for the purpose of this video, I have pretty much selected all the numbers between minus 100 and 100. And we are going to calculate the ASINH of each of these numbers, and we are going to present them in the format of a graph. So let's do this. So first of all, how exactly can we use this function? So it's pretty simple. We are going to start out by writing down the equal sign, and then we are simply going to write down ASINH. And here we will select the number that is in the cell C4. Well, for me it's C4, for you it's maybe another cell. And here we go, just like that, we receive the ASINH of that number. Now, if I want to apply this function to all the numbers that are right here, what I can do is I can simply take it and drag them till the number right here, till 100. And as you can see, just like that, I have the ASINH of all those numbers. Now, to make it a little bit more visual, what we're going to do, we are going to put it in the format of a graph. So let's do this. So we are simply going to select this, well, both of the columns that contain the numbers and the ASINs of those, the ASINH of those numbers. And we are going to go in the insert tab right here. And then what we are going to do is we're simply going to go in recommended chart and click on it. And just like that, we are going to receive a visual representation of our ASINH function. So as you can see, the way it goes, it's really hyperbolic. So it will go just like this. And if we change, for example, our number from 100 to 1000, it won't go till, for example, 10. It will go lower. So let's try it out just for the purpose of this example. So instead of minus 100, let's put minus, I don't know, 1 quadrillion, for example. So just like that, you'll see that the answer is minus 37. Even if here it's minus, for example, 1, I don't know, 1 followed by 16 zeros. So this is how this function works. So here we have, well, I did the example on numbers that are between minus 100 and 100. If you want the representation for numbers that are between minus 1000 and, for example, 1000, you can do this. What's going to happen is that your chart will continue like this. And it will simply be not a straight line, but it won't go as fast as here, for example. So it's really an inverse hyperbolic. So this is how this function works. So as always, if you liked this demonstration video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.